Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix one-sided output audio on your Mac. If your audio plays only from the left or only from the right side of your Mac, that means that you may have audio balance set to one of the speakers. To fix it, just go to System Settings, so click on the Apple logo in top left corner, then System Settings. Then go to Sound. And now here you can change the balance. I'm gonna set it to the middle. And now both of my speakers should play at the left and the right one on my Mac should play at the same volume. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.